Wait lang, wait lang. Wait. Aray. Aray. Ayan.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi,
Miss
Mommy.
Lasho.
Hi, Miss Lasho. Hi.
Hi.
I miss you.
We miss you so much.
You know what? It's 12:52 a.m. here now. And we can't sleep because we keep on
Thinking about you.
You know what? Wait, I look so wasted. Cause you know what? How are you there?
Yes.
How are you there? Hoy, magsalita ka.
Hi, Mommy. Alam niyo ba, mag-speak ako in Visayan accent for 1 week ba? Bayaran man ako nila Jackie, tsaka nila Esay,
O, Bisaya na siya.
nila
Nagbuot-buot
Ridge.
lang na sa
Kaya
diya.
1 week man ako magsalita ng ganito. Kaya, hello Miss Flasho, I miss you so much. Kamusta ka naman dyan sa Florida?
Eh, Florida pala.
Oh, Florida.
Oh, Florida.
Kamusta ka naman? Miss na miss ka na namin.
Buot-buot, sis kabuang.
Super, miss ko na yung mga pang, ano mo, yung, feel na feel ko man yung love ko from you.
Marag pukwang.
Oo. Ano, mami,
Adili, dahil po.
mami, ikaw din, miss na miss na kita. Kamusta ka naman dyan? Wala, hindi ko man alam kung Singapore ka ma o Indonesia.
Singapore, oy!
Indonesia ata.
Singapore kasi,
Indonesia,
di ba-
Indonesia.
right, mommy?
Indonesia,
You're in
Indonesia.
Singapore.
Mami,
Bet tayo.
a game.
500
How
ah.
much? Sige, 500 ba?
500.
Indonesia ako, ikaw Singapore. Anyway, I miss you both so much.
Yeah, super as in, you know what, we're making a new friend right now. Miss Gagawin. Ah, Gaga?
No, because she's nice.
Yeah, she's
Anyway,
nice.
anyway.
And, you know what? I'm so sleepy. That's why look at my hair, oh, it's so sabog na, it's so spiky.
Super wasted.
Mm.
Tomorrow,
WNCAA
opening of WNCAA tomorrow, we will be performing. Yeah.
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 Me no, because I had an injury and we keep on telling Miss na Miss, okay na kami. Pero ayaw niya pumayag. So sad.
Yun. Uy, sobrang miss ko na kayo. Ano ba
As
naman
in super,
yan?
Miss, alam niyo ba, kanina, magkakasama sila Miss Santiago, basta all of them, and then, wala na.
Wala na, parang-
May ice cream sila.
Parang nag-isip pa kami, parang last year ba kayo yung nagbibili ng mga ice cream, tapos sinasamahan namin kayo, bibili rin kayo ng french fries, tapos yun, wala na, nakakamiss ba? Anyway, yun.
We just wanna say that
We love you so much.
and we miss
Yeah.
you like hell.
Super.
Yeah.
We miss you like heaven.
We wish that you're happy there and that you become more successful.
Yun.
And
Miss Ara, kung mapapanood mo to, hello.
I miss you. Mas alam niyo ba, nung pumunta kayo dun sa school, wala na naman ako. Galing, no?
Well, kasi nga, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, ako lang yung meant to be. Anyway. Yun.
Saro.
Please magparamdam naman kayo, tapos pag napanood nyo to, mag-comment kayo. Dyan, dyan sa baba, yan, may comment dyan. Tapos yun, super miss ko na kayo. Sana nagparamdam kayo. Tingnan mo, hindi na ako makapagsalita in normal way.
Oo.
Yun. Uy, Mommy, I love you. Miss
Love you
Flasho, I love
all.
you. Miss Sarah, I love you.
Sana happy ka there and I hope you remember us.
Oo, walang kalimutan na. Kasi pag may nakalimot, ko.
And sana
Hi sa lahat-lahat.
ingat kayo there ha, kasi it's a very dangerous place. I think. Manila is the place to be.
Yun. Matutulog na kami kasi 6 pa kami gigising bukas. So, yun.
Night.
I love you.
I love you
Super
so much.
miss
The
na
three
miss
of
namin
you,
kayo.
if Miss Ara is watching, and the
Yeah.
two of you, for you.
I love you. We
I love you. We love you. We miss you.
We miss
Take
you
care.
so much.
God bless. And
Have a nice day.
please reply.
Please reply, please.
Kiss natin.
No.
Mwah. Bye-bye.
Bye.